How can you make money from your music as an indie artist? Well, the very first dime that I made from my music was performing live. Okay, my youth pastor at my church asked me and the breakdancer and the DJ to come play. We came and played for free, and they ended up taking up an offering, and I think we walked away with like maybe $65 or something like that. So that was the first time I ever got paid. And then when we did that show, we got asked to play another show somewhere else. It was like a youth conference, and then we got paid again. And this started to happen, and then we hadn't had any even music recorded yet. Like we hadn't recorded nothing, like maybe on a cassette tape on somebody else's beat, okay? But then we started playing these shows, and so we thought, oh, let's get a logo made, let's get a shirt made. And then we started selling merch to our friends and family members and people that were excited about our music. And still, we hadn't recorded anything. And we probably at this point had made thousands of dollars maybe. I don't know how much we made, hundreds of dollars at least. And this is like, before the real online space has come upon us now, right? But now with YouTube, all you got to do is get 1,000 subscribers. And then you can monetize your YouTube channel. And it doesn't even have to be just around your music. It can be around making the music, the tutorials, the songwriting about the music, the struggles of you overcoming fear, heartbreak, and putting all that on YouTube. And not only are you ranking for your music, and people aren't just becoming a fan of your music, but they're becoming a fan of you. And that's where we go from that, again, that casual listener to that super fan, because they're just captivated by your story and what you've gone through. And when you put that on YouTube, you can build a massive following of subscribers, sponsored videos. So not only are you getting paid from YouTube, but you're getting paid the royalties and the publishing from the music, right? And we haven't even gotten to Spotify yet, or social media, or TV film licensing. But if you want to get paid from your music from like Spotify and Apple Music and all these places, you got to upload your music to a distributor. Okay, like DistroKid or TuneCore, and they put your music on all these platforms, and they help you even monetize it on YouTube. Okay, but you've got to do that first. That's step number one. Okay, and then you're making money from the master side of the royalties, because maybe you own the music. But there's another royalty that is generated, and that's if you wrote the song, which I'm assuming you did. You're the songwriter. Well, you've got to make sure you're collecting your publishing royalties. So you might want to sign up for TuneCore's Accelerator or Publishing Admin Service. CD Baby has one. DistroKid doesn't have one where they collect the publishing. They only send you the master side, which is the biggest side, but the other side is the publishing. And so you might want to use a third party company like Songtrust. Okay, and they'll collect the publishing royalties. So these are all the different income streams that you can make from your music. There's another one I want to mention before we go here is TV film. Okay, video games. And that's when someone licenses your song. They don't own it, they just license it to use your song in a TV ad, a TV show. Maybe it's a trailer in a movie, or a video game trailer, or actually in the video game. Okay, we've been paid multiple six figures for people to license the song just to be in the film, or just to be in the TV ad. Most of the time syncs are minimum of thousands of dollars, okay? And you as the master's royalty owner, and you as the publishing owner, you can make a lot of money doing this. But out of all these strategies I've shared, you've got to focus, okay? You got to follow one course until successful. If you try and chase them all at the same time, you're not going to catch any of them. So you want to build one income stream. Well, which one should you do? Which one should you focus on? Whatever one you're most excited about. Whatever path. For me, it was playing live shows. That's what we wanted to do. Okay? If I could go back in time, I'd probably do more songwriting and releasing songs and the TV film side of it. And I freaking love YouTube. I'd probably create more videos and share more stories and build the presence there, because what's so cool about this whole online game is you're not local. You're global. And when I performed live, I only got paid once for that stuff. Never got paid again. Sure, it was cool. I got paid right away, made some fast money. But YouTube and the songs live forever. If I had just focused on recording and releasing songs and making videos, like YouTube videos last forever on there, man. People can still watch my videos that are 10 plus years old, and I'm still making money right now off them. And this is where I talk about in my book, From Red to Black, that you want to start earning Swiss dollars. Sales while you sleep soundly. You want to create income streams that pay you over and over again. Instead of trading your time for money that only pays you once, you want to start trading your time for money or trade your time for things that pay you multiple times, that pay you forever. That's the secret to financial freedom.